So we got this illustration. The tangent to the curve this, okay, the tangent to the curve this at its point of intersection with the line this. Suppose that this is the curve and this is the line. So this line is intersecting the curve at 2 points. Okay, hopefully max to max it will be 2 point only. So they are talking about tangents. So tangents at the point of intersection. So suppose you will drop down tangent at this point A, tangent at this point B. Okay, so intersect at the point. So you have to find out this point P where this tangent will intersect. Okay, so what I'm thinking, first I'll find out point of intersection A and B. If it is point of intersection, you know that the point will be on the curve. So I'll go with t equals to 0 for tangent, t equals to 0 for tangent, and then we will get two straight lines, and then I'll be solving two straight line to find out the point of intersection. Can I follow that part? I hope you are getting the flow to which we will proceed. Okay, now look at this. Let's try to find out the point of intersection. So can I write y equals to x minus 3? Now I'll replace. So x minus 3 is equal to a square plus b square minus 4x minus 1. So substitute, like you have to simplify x square minus 5x. So this is plus of 3 and this, so it will become 6. Hai. So you can write x square minus 3x minus 2x plus 6. So it will become what? X minus 3 and x minus 2. So this function, this two curve will intersect at x equals to 2, x equals to 3. So suppose that x is equal to 2. So if you'll substitute, you will get x, y value. So suppose x equals to 2, 2 will go to that side. So minus 2, 3 minus 2 is 1. So minus of y is equal to 1. So it is minus 1. Okay. And y will be 0. So can I say that point A will be 2 comma minus 1. Point B will be 3 comma 0. Okay. So we got our 2 points. Now on these 2 points we have to drop down tangent, correct? So can I go for tangent A? So I should go with t equals to 0. First I'll write the curve. Okay, so the curve is y square, sorry, y is equal to x square plus 4x, sorry, plus 4 minus 4x minus 1. I'll send everything on one side. So x square minus 4x minus y plus 3. So we got our curve as this. Okay, now I want tangent on point A. So I'll go with TA. So TA is what? 0. And t is equal to 0 transformation, because the point is on the curve. So x square will be replaced by x1 minus 4x. So it is x plus x1 by 2 minus y plus, so it is y plus y1 by 2 plus 3 is equal to 0. है ना? Now can I multiply both sides by 2? So we will have 4x minus 4x minus 8 minus y plus 1 plus 3 is equal to 0. This thing gone. So we y that side. So y is equal to, we got y equals to, wait, so okay, this should be multiplied by 2 na. So it is 6. So y should be equal to minus of 1. So we got one equation. Okay, ta is this. Now I'll go with tb. So I'll go with t b equals to 0. So again x1 minus 4 times x plus x1 means it is 3, sorry, by 2 minus y plus 0 by 2 plus 3. Again I'll go with multiplication by 2. So it is 6x minus 4x minus 12 minus y plus 6. So we will get curve as 2x minus y minus 6. Correct? Now we have to solve these two tangents. So you know that y will be minus 1 only, है ना? So I'll substitute value of y is minus 1. So if I'll substitute minus 1, so minus of minus 1 will become plus of 1. So 1 minus 6 will become minus 5. So it will become 5 by 2. So point of intersection, so required point will become what? 5. Yes, so it is 5 by 2 minus 1. Okay, I hope you got the approach and you know how to solve this illustration. I hope the idea is clear.